Right here we have a couple small, I guess I'm going to go around 1/48 scale ambulances. Obviously a Ford design, down by the grill and whatnot. I meant to put a little dab of blue paint there on each of the Ford emblems for you, and I forgot to do that. Aren't the most detailed ambulance in the world. Probably looks like that box should be a little bit taller to be more scaled to the size of the front end of the vehicle, but some of you guys know these are kind of, I won't say hard to get a hold of, but finding the correct body styles and things are hard to match up sometimes with what customers want. Customers sent me these, so that's obviously what they want. I'm going to, like I said again, I'm going to go with 48 scale. Here's a 43rd scale Crown Vic next to it, so not too far off. I mean, the Crown Vic is a little bit longer, I think, than the ambulance, the entire ambulance, so it wouldn't be too bad, I guess, with a crime scene or something to that nature, but I'm going to go with more like a 48 scale. I don't know who makes these. Shing Fat. Shing Fat. Oh, Shing Fat. Guess both of them. I don't see any type of other markings on there, but so obviously they're Chinese imports, which most of them are. So unbranded. So Ken's Toys and Real Toy, and a lot of them may brand these. Anyway, these have added lights added to them. Flashing headlights. Red strobe light bar, reds on each corner, top corner, yellow strobes in the back. Also, you wanted a battery pack on these with so much wire, but instead, I was able to get the batteries in the rear. So, 9-volt battery inside there. Easy enough to change. Slide it in and out. Good to go. So both of them have batteries inside. Small switch here on the bottom. Go ahead and turn those on. Used circuit boards in these for you. Add to the strobe patterns a little bit. Tops are just random strobe light bar, so nothing fancy there. Again, just flashing headlights. The sides, it's a triple strobe right there. Like I said, it looks like a single flash there, a triple strobe. In the rear, I mentioned the yellow strobes. 2 reds and 2 yellows. As you can see, they alternate. The right red and the left yellow will flash, and then the other direction, or the switch sides, and then a simultaneous flash. So they look pretty cool. Same deal on the passenger side as well. Triple strobe flash paired together. So they look pretty cool. Like I said, I think they turned out really well. Like I said, especially considering being able to put the batteries inside for you. So anybody wanting a 48-ish 50th scale, probably would work fine with 43rd scale, I guess. Anyway, there you have them. Not too bad of a little model. Thank you very much, and I guess I'll get these shipped out to you tomorrow. So thanks again.